do it, boy.
I don't know how I'm going to style this out now.
Well, you're just gonna be a man. God damn. What an absolute beast of a man. What's this one in for, Mike? I mean, look at it. It's, seen better days.
Seen better days, but what a lovely van. I mean, it's super cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's such a lovely van.
An actual Joker as well.
A Joker, yeah, and it's an early Joker, which makes it, for me, a bit more desirable than the later ones. Westy interior is just a beautiful van, a really good, solid, clean example, really nice van.
So apart from obviously that big lump of rust on the front, what's that actually in for?
So replace the bottom of the front panel. I'm going to replace the bottom of the front panel. Probably pull the screen and address these couple of little bits around the bottom of the windscreen while I'm there.
Yep.
There's no point not doing them. It's too nice a van. It's got a bit of shabby paintwork up pillars anyway, so yeah, strip that and get on and get that kind of underway. And I think Spencer's doing a conversion left-hand drive to right-hand drive. So obviously I end up doing the fabrication side of that, and Spencer's doing all the other bits. And yeah, just make it, just tidy her up a bit.
Make it the stunning van it deserves to be.
Yeah, definitely, yeah, and it is a nice van.
Go on.
I'm going to be very impressed if any of this works ever again. To be honest, I've done something right at the moment. We've got all our dash lights and the wiper motor works. Hazard's doing a hazard thing. I think that's a relay. Or it might be an earth towards a relay. Oh, I got side lights at that.
Have a look. Yeah, you got side lights. On then.
Left.
Yep.
Or right.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Ripper.
Ripper and the gripper. Let's do the thing.
Yeah, man.
What are we doing, mate?
Putting this arm back together. Is that a full frontal change left-hand drive to right-hand drive, so everything's got to get back in now. Put back seat.
Sweet.
It's all running nicely and all done.
Happy days.
Yeah, man.
Hello and thank you for tuning in to the Old Dub Shop. It's been a little while, isn't it? This is a Baja. It is pretty damn cool. And you might ask why the hell we're building a Baja? Well, Bristol Volksfest coming up, one of the biggest and best Volkswagen shows in all of Bristol. And to be honest, probably the Southwest. Welcome to the jungle. Also has independent rear suspension. At this point the interior has been stripped. If you want to talk about height comparisons, think it's a bit big.
So if we go back in time, let's see how we got here.
Hello and good evening from a very rainy and dark services in Exeter. We have just popped down from Bristol to go pick up this wee beastie, which is going to be our Bristol Volksfest official build. Mr. Spencer, good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. What you picked up, mate? Not just any deal.
Much like catching them swans, eh?
BVF build, the jungle, the general.
It's a silly idea is what it is.
They're the best.
Last time I had a silly idea like this, it cost me thousands. Also, putting the ratchet strap on this one was a silly idea, or having a laugh.
Funny heart or funny bar? Oh wow.
So plugs out, battery on, drain the oil, fresh oil, plugs out, fill the bores, leave it for an hour, put battery on, crank the car.
We have done a couple of mods since then.
Hello and welcome to the Old Dub Shop. Just a little Baja update. Let's have a look at the newest edition. Good afternoon, Mr. Michael.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
Right, well,
What have you done?
make it work. It's normal. Yeah, so welded up and made a nice roof wrap.
Where'd the roof
Heavy
rack come
duty.
from?
I believe it's one of Spencer's brilliant eBay buys, which was designed for a Volkswagen Beetle, but I believe probably more like for a Vauxhall Viva. It didn't fit quite even close if I'd bolted down, but we would have took the roof skin off. So that was it. Made that fit. Dog 10 bucks. So 10 bucks done. Really, really good 10 bucks. I don't know if you know. Optionally, you can have two options with these boxes. They can come singly as they are with all the parts, or option two, they come with a.
Mr. Spencer,
No.
you look very comfortable.
We got the. We obviously got option two.
Lucky.
How's it looking up there, bud? Let's have a look.
This is great. So much room for activities.
Comes with a mattress and everything.
Yeah. Oh, right. I pissed off and going to sleep. Oh, it's light. Got very light. No. Right, that's it.
So what's the plan, Mr. Spence?
KC lights, light bar on the roof, green paint, gold tiger stripes, supercharged engine, snakeskin door panels, snakeskin tunnel, snakeskin off the heater channels, black rubber mats down the middle. Oh, box it all in at the back and snakeskin all that as well. What a beauty.
So we only have until the 12th of June to finish this with Bristol Volksfest. If you enjoyed this so far and you want to see us finish it on time, follow us along, give us a like, maybe subscribe, and see if we can get it done. And yes, I'm not exaggerating. June 12th, this needs to be finished. So thank you so much for tuning back in. See you next time.